I have seen quite a few videos of people saying that they need to have their hair and makeup done because it's their first impression between them and their child. here's here's how I feel about it. If you would like to do your makeup, have at it. If that's what makes you happy and feel put together and feel back like yourself, do it to it, Lars. But it won't be me. And not to mention, when they come out, they can only see like 12 inches from their face or something. So, like, they're not catching details. They're gonna love you because you made them. In that same boat, people who are packing curling irons or hair straighteners. What? Why? Who? When?